Today I'm going to be doing a how-to video on how to fit the bonnet release inner cable for a Ford bonnet. This is suitable for the Mondeos, Galaxies and S-Maxes. So you can see the kit come with this stainless steel inner cable. Got the end fitting there to go on the inside. Allen key to outfit, and obviously comes with full fitting instructions. So you're going to need a set of wire cutters, small flat base screwdriver and a socket kit to fit. Take your 4 small flat base screwdriver, slide it under these plastic caps and lift them out. Do it on both sides. Slide out plastic connectors. Put those to one side safely. And then lift up. Clip the top here and lift up and remove. Next, taking a 10mm socket, we're going to release this bonnet catch here. So if you look behind, there are 2 bolts just behind here. We're going to release those. So sliding in. Connect this green cable down here. So once you release the last screw, the latch cover and the latch will come out. So once you get this out, you can go ahead and inspect the cable. The cable pulls out like that and then disconnects from like so. Safely to one side. So normally the cable rusts inside this bend here. So slide down this rubber connector. You're able to see the cable inside. So if the cable hasn't snapped, we'll need to cut it. To release it. Keep spare parts. So from inside the car, we need to pop off this cover, and then inside here you'll see this latch is held on with 2 little plastic tabs which keep pressing in. Once they're pressed in, you're able to pull off this whole handle. Just like that. Then you'll be able to release the inner cable and pull it all the way through. Okay, starting in from the engine bay, open up your new inner release cable, put the Allen key and sold's nipple to one side, unwind your new stainless inner cable. Next, take the little rubber grommet and feed that on to the end of your cable. Now you can use a little bit of grease on this cable just to help it slide down into the outer cable. We're using a K99 water resistant grease. Take the other end and feed it through. The outer cable. push it all the way through. Okay, so you pull it through from the inside. It always helps to re-grease this bend here, as this is the bend which requires the most lubrication to go around. Fit the outer grommet back over. We're now going to fit the cable back onto the latch. So, we take this end and fit it through there, flick it over, and then that little gap push down into there with a 90-degree bend pointing down. This then gets fed back through underneath, like so. Take the latch cover and the two screws, and we screw it back together. Green plug. We're now going to put the latch cover back on, which involves sliding it down in between the two plastic parts there, and then clipping on the top into position. We then take these small pieces, push one of them into there, the other one into there, and then we push these back in. They go in one way round, and that locks the cover back into place. So, the front's put back together. Next, we're going to go back inside and we're going to finish off. We're going to take a small nipple and we're going to feed it onto the end of the cable using the Allen key. This needs feeding through to the point where it will fit in nicely. We're going to cut at that point. Screw the sort of nipple right onto the end, so it's nice and flush.